Welcome to today's video where I guide you through the process of changing your username on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then navigate to the menu by tapping on the menu icon. Next, tap on the gear icon to open up settings. From there, locate it and tap on Meta Account Center. In this account center, find and select profiles. This will bring up the profile associated with your Facebook account. Now locate the option for username and tap on it. Here you can change your Facebook username. If you want to sync usernames between Facebook and Instagram, you can enable that feature from this screen. To change your Facebook username, tap on the current username and enter the new one. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to tap Add or Done to save the changes. And that is it. You've successfully changed your username on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.